Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Then, what are the clinical features of rapidly progressive clinic? Sorry, clinical features of rapidly progressive glomerulonephritis. In rapidly progressive glomerulonephritis, patients present with abrupt onset of renal failure. There will be rapid loss of renal function is seen. The renal function will actually deteriorate in less than 3 months. Most of the times the patient will have normal blood pressure and normal kidney size is also seen. Okay, there are non-specific symptoms can occur, like non-specific symptoms like the patient can have weakness or nausea, cough, weight loss can be seen in the patient with myalgia, fever, arthralgia. These can be seen in the patient. There can be extrarenal involvement. In extrarenal involvement, the patient can present with transient mild pulmonary infiltrates, or the patient can present with hemoptysis also. And there is pulmonary manifestations can also be seen, and extrarenal manifestations like transient and mild pulmonary infiltrates, these are actually pulmonary manifestations. In the pulmonary manifestations, we have transient mild pulmonary infiltrates are seen. In extrarenal involvement, only the pulmonary manifestations are common. Then we also have renal manifestations. In the renal manifestations, the patient can also have the oliguria may be seen with azotemia may also be seen in the patient.
thank you and thank you for watching.